So what I did was I got a good piece of birch plywood and cut it 25 inches wide. Started out 15 inches here, and you'll notice the contour. I'll show you with the cover in the Jeep. We had to contour it so that it would close up. And all I used was a couple of these collapsible brackets that you can get on Amazon, and I'll include a link in the video. Took the plastic cover over the wires off and cut it to fit, and then all I'm going to do is simply screw this piece of wood onto here, and it'll make a collapsible table, and for a whole lot cheaper than what you can buy readily made ones. Don't mind all the dust and sawdust and what have you. Literally just was out on a run that I had so much dust in the Jeep. It was amazing. But anyhow, this right here is what I was talking about for the contour here. So it fits all the way down. It'll close, and needed to contour it here so that it'll miss this lip right here. And here's the finished product. Locks in place. I like it preferably higher like this. I know a lot of people have them down low. I prefer it high. I use it for my drone and computer and whatnot. So it's actually much nicer to have it up this high. After I cut the contour with the jigsaw, I took my router and smoothed off the edges all the way around it just to give it a better finished look. A good friend of mine made this Jeep emblem for me, and I applied that and then put several coats of polyurethane on here so it's sealed in there real nice, and it gives it a great durable finish. Another nice thing about having it up this high is it allows me to open up my Smitty built storage locker. It'll open up all the way. No issues whatsoever there. And as you can see here, it closes up with no clearance issues whatsoever. And in case you're wondering what that rattling is when I close the door, it's that darn foot plate of the high lift. So, but absolutely love this TerraFlex Ultra Rack. That's a whole nother story and review.